Looking for the perfect paddle to elevate your paddleboarding experience? The best paddleboard paddles are lightweight, durable, and designed for maximum efficiency on the water. Whether you're cruising, racing, or practicing yoga on your board, the right paddle ensures better control, less fatigue, and more fun every time you hit the water. Starting at number 1. Adjustable 3-pieces paddle. This adjustable 3-piece SUP paddle features a lightweight yet sturdy alloy shaft and durable PP/fiberglass blade, offering excellent performance for all paddleboarding adventures. The easy-to-adjust design allows quick length changes to suit different paddlers and styles, while its floating construction ensures you won't lose the paddle if it drops in the water. With ergonomic comfort and smart locking details, it's a great choice for both beginners and experienced riders alike. Number 2. Adjustable Aluminium SUP Paddle. The Carlson 3-piece adjustable SUP paddle is a versatile and travel-friendly paddle designed for all-around stand-up paddleboarding. Built with a strong marine-grade aluminum shaft and a shock-resistant plastic blade, it's lightweight yet durable, perfect for cruising on flat water, surfing small waves, or exploring shallow areas. Its adjustable length and quick assembly make it ideal for paddlers of various heights and skill levels, while its buoyant design prevents it from sinking if dropped in the water. Number 3. Overmont Aluminum Alloy SUP Paddle. The Overmont 3-piece adjustable SUP paddle is a lightweight, travel-friendly paddleboard paddle built with an aircraft-grade aluminum shaft, durable polypropylene blade, and ergonomic grip for comfortable use on the water. It easily adjusts from about 67 to 85 to suit paddlers of various heights, floats in both fresh and salt water when assembled, and breaks down quickly for easy storage and transport, making it ideal for beginners, casual paddlers, and rental use alike. Number 4. Abahub SUP Paddles. The Abahub 3-piece adjustable SUP paddle is a versatile, beginner-friendly paddle designed for stand-up paddleboarding adventure. Made with a durable aircraft-grade aluminum shaft and a large blade with concave grooves for powerful, stable strokes, it adjusts easily from 68 to 84 to suit paddlers of different heights and paddling styles. Lightweight and travel-friendly, it floats in both freshwater and saltwater when fully assembled, making it a practical choice for casual paddlers, beginners, and rental use. Number 5. FunWater Inflatable Paddleboard. The FunWater Inflatable Stand-Up Paddleboard is a versatile and lightweight SUP that's ideal for adults and youths of all skill levels. Made from ultralight yet durable double-wall PVC, this 10-6 inflatable board delivers excellent stability and balance on the water, while the non-slip EVA deck ensures comfort and traction for paddling, yoga, fishing, or cruising. It comes complete with premium accessories, including an adjustable paddle, high-pressure pump, removable fins, and carry backpack, making it easy to inflate, transport, and enjoy your paddleboarding adventures wherever you go.